Good detox tea for weight loss that works. A good detox tea for weight loss cleanse your body, fortify your system against pollutants, and can even prevent parasites. Detox tea has the ability to benefit the health in many different ways, such as clearing the skin, soothing stress, and helping with weight loss. The core process of any detox tea is to clean the foreign particles and toxic elements from the body, and to keep your internal organ system clean, which is considered to be a key to a blissful lifestyle. The effect of this process will increase your metabolism and help you lose weight at the end of the day. Losing weight isn't just about drinking a good weight loss tea. Make sure to exercise regularly, around 30 minutes 5 to 6 times per week, and eat a healthy diet. You can also pair your detox tea with a detox diet to maximize results. Make sure to choose detox teas that are certified organic to avoid side effects of harmful chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides. You'll also get better tasting tea when choosing organic or naturally grown teas. Detox tea can also improve your immunity power and boost your mental performance. Detox tea works in a right direction to help your body.